listen to me. All locks are manufactured with the keys. These locks are not manufactured without the keys. Similarly, with the God never gives the problems without solutions. You people have to have patience to unlock these problems. And you can unlock these problems with the solutions. Make sense? Make sense? Whenever locks are made, so locks are not made without keys. They are made with the keys. Please try to understand. Is that clear? But sometimes you people need to understand when God gives us problems, so God gives the problems with the solutions. You have to have the patience, or you should have passion about solving the problems, not looking for the problems. Today, the topic which I'm gonna take, that this is connected with the emotional journey of your cycle. Emotional journey of one circle. The journey of one circle. The emotional journey is inevitable and perhaps necessary. It is too much important when you people go through one process. When you begin to do the job, when you begin to run the business, when you begin to do anything else, when you are gonna begin, or when you are um, gonna start any kind of relationship, so you begin to do something. So this is the emotional journey. This is the emotional journey of your circle, where you are gonna create anything better and best. You can create anything else great from this circle, but you need to understand what is the circle. I want to start the business. What emotions I have got towards my business, I would share with you. Same emotions you must have. And if you have not started the business yet and you want to start in future, 100% same emotions you will have. How could I say? Because I have gone through this emotion. Not only me, but also Elon Musk, Donald Trump. Are you getting? Mr. Ambani, every business class person. Not only every single business class person, even a jobber. Everybody has gone through this emotional journey. So this is the emotional journey of something creating great.